Love my baker's rack. How many pots? My griddle. I love it. And here are my lights. The little lights. Change the lights. All right.
This baker's rack was a great addition to our home. It stored all of our things such as a deep fryer, crock pot, some extra pots and pans, our Keurig, the Ninja bread basket. So we were able to have some extra storage space next to the kitchen, which was really good and what we were overall looking for. And I did put motion sensor lights, but it does come with LED lights at the bottom. But overall, I think this is a great piece, and it's right next to the kitchen, and it's not too bulky as well, so perfect.
It was easy to put together. I did it in about 45 minutes. I took my time. Very easy. Instructions were straightforward.